Do you know what? I don't think I'm going to put makeup on because it's a long journey. I'll probably fall asleep. And also, I feel like I should embrace my natural skin a bit more. So yeah, we're rocking the no makeup look today, guys. So these are the shoes that I'm wearing today. And I don't know if any of you know, but I'm kind of obsessed with neon. As you can tell, I'm really obsessed. And I just love the little like accents of neon that it's got in it. Even the bottom's neon. As you can see, I've worn these before. Already ruined. So yeah, those shoes basically complete the outfit. And I'm just so excited to go. I actually almost forgot a jacket as well. I'm really organized today, as you can tell.
While you drinking, fade away. All my friends, they fade away. Don't worry, fade away. Don't worry.
So I'm back in London now, and as you can see, my face is very red, and I've got the worst spots in the world because I just had a nap on this lovely bed over here. And I've woke up with a face full of spots. I don't know how this happened. I don't know whether I like dribbled in my sleep or something, but these are just not okay. Yeah, my face is now a mess. So I think for the rest of this video, I'm definitely gonna put makeup on because it's just not really working for me. Like, I just need to cover this up. I am gonna do that very shortly though. First, I'm just gonna start on my wardrobe because now that I'm back in London, I want to possibly clean out some clothes, you know, get in some money because I'm a poor. It's not that I don't like the clothes, it's just I know that I don't wear them enough and I'd rather give them to someone that wears them more than me. If you want to actually shop any of this, it will be on my Depop. My Depop will be in the description. I'll also put it on the screen for you guys just so it's easier for you.
Pull the key out the ignition, run your mouth but I never listen. You hold me back, will never last, keep talking all your shit. Wondering how all this stuff. Right, so I just want to show you guys this because I actually love this coat. I just don't really have outfits that would match it. But guys, are you ready? What? Like, isn't that so cool? It's like reflective. I literally love this jacket so much and I'm so sad that I'm actually giving it away, but your words, they're driving me crazy. Keep talking all your shit, baby.
Look who's arrived! And a banana! So I'm gonna have to film this very, very quickly because everyone's arriving now, but I basically messaged like as many people as I could that I knew would be around London today and said, do you want to come to mine? Because obviously we all just want to be together, want to have a fun day and make a day of it now that I'm back in London. So yeah, I invited a fair few people around. I look just so bad. I haven't really updated the vlog, but everyone is here now. Yeah, well, it's been like 2 hours since I've actually last spoke to the vlog, but we're gonna be going to Westfield, going to the cinema and get some food because I feel like I haven't it all day. As you can see, I put my makeup on, covered my spots as best as I can. Don't really like it so much though. Kind of digging the eyeshadow though. Oh, actually, I'm gonna change my clothes because it's a lot colder outside than I actually thought it was. So it's just too cold outside for this. Change my clothes, probably put a jumper on or something, and I will see you in a sec. Okay, so I've now changed my top. I've also put on some shoes, which I will show you in a second because they match my top and I'm feeling like really groovy. We look really glam just to go to Westfield. Just gonna go to Westfield and get some food. We're very hungry. I don't know where we're going. They keep saying that we're going to Nando's, even though I hate Nando's, so hopefully it's not there. Turn left, turn left, turn left, turn left, 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 left. So we came to Byron Burger and they've actually changed their menu. I am living for this. I might actually get a milkshake, but I'm really fancying a Coke. Okay, so I'm really torn between ordering a normal beef burger, which is what I always order when I come to Byron Burger, or order mac and cheese balls, which I've never seen on the menu before, so get some chips or something. I'm really not sure what to do.